called the step taking him a couple minutes to scramble it. 3 quintillion number of combinations, which I solved under 4 hours, and God knows to sleep. Alright, let's begin. I started bright and early at 7 a.m. Last time I saw 4 hours. I am expected this time to take anywhere from 6 hours and 7 minutes, because sometimes it can be like seconds to the 5-hour mark, and I was really out and dehydrated and decided to. I felt a lot of this are really coming together.